Hello students, today we will learn how to share your worksheets. Excel 2016 makes it very easy to share your spreadsheets with trusted clients or with your co-workers. What you have to do is you just click the share button. You can see on the ribbon at the right side. When you press it, it will ask you to invite people. Here you can provide the email addresses to invite the people, like we are going to put Telcoma training. @ outlook.com. Now in the second option, it is asking you want to let the other person to edit your file or to only view your file. If you are going to press the view, then it will be only the read only file for your invited person. Otherwise he can also edit it. Just we are pressing can edit. Now in the third option, it is optional. You can send any message regarding your worksheet, regarding your sharing, and you just press the share button. Then it will share your file with the specific person which you have typed the email address. So this is a way to share your worksheet with the other persons or with the other email address. You can also share it by using the emails. You just go to file. In the file, we are having the share option. You're having email here. The file will be a copied file of your existing Excel sheet. There are options in the right side to send an email. The options are, firstly, option is send as attachment. To create a new email message using your default email program with a copy of the worksheet file will be attached. The other one is send a link. This is disappeared. This is disabled because it is showing an alert that workbook must be saved. You have not saved your worksheet. That's why it is not going to appear in the list. So when we save it, it will be appear. And it is to create a new email message using your default email program that contains a hyperlink to the workbook file. It will not create any copy like an attachment. It will create a new link and it will be sent as your email address. Other option is send as PDF. It is to convert the Excel workbook to the PDF file and make this new PDF file as attachment in your email message. The other one is send as XPS. It is to convert the Excel workbook to a Microsoft XPS file and it will make this new XPS file the attachment in the new email message. When you scroll down, the other option is send as internet fax. It is to send the workbook as a fax through an online fax service provider. You will need an account with the service provider as well as the Windows fax and scan Windows features installed. So it is a way to share differently your worksheet with the email addresses. The other way to share or to work online with your worksheet is editing worksheets online. What you have to do is to edit a workbook saved on your OneDrive with Excel online. You follow some of the steps. Firstly, you have to go to the office, that you have to launch a web browser on your device, and you just go to www.office.live.com. After that, there will be a button office.live.com. Now you can sign in here if you're having an account. Otherwise, you go to Get Office. There is the button that is Excel Online. There you can work with your online co-workers. And then look, there is Excel. Here it is. There is Excel 2016. Here you can work online with it by logging in your details, or you can also create the new account for it. So they are the ways you work online and you share your files. Thank you.